Breaking news, Senator Marco Rubio has made a controversial statement on the ongoing war in Ukraine. Rubio said, "There's no military solution. Ukraine must be ready to make difficult concessions, just as Russia must." The remarks suggest that Rubio believes Ukraine may need to cede some territory to Russia as part of a future peace deal. His comments are already sparking debate in Washington and beyond, as US leaders continue to weigh support for Ukraine in its fight against Russian aggression. Stay tuned for updates on this developing story.